Welcome back, all friends. Today we're going from one cheese to another. This is my boat of my life, the boating channel. Right now we are located here at Ostkobben and we're going to leave right now. Since we are 2 people and I have ridiculously long lines out, I chosen to take out a shorter line and take in all the long lines before we leave. Because I don't want Linda to take care of all the lines on the bow when we are moving. Nice and clean. Let's start the engines. I just eyeball how close I can go to the anchor lines on the boats I pass. Sometimes you can see in the body language that they are not so comfortable with the distance that I am. My boat is pretty shallow, so it's okay to go close. After you have the anchor in wash mode a couple of 100 meters, it's time to pick it up and put on the safety line. Before we visit Ostholmen, we're gonna take a night at Lökaö. It's a beautiful island and I want to show it to Linda. And right here I discover a dinghy floating around. So let's take care of that one first. I have my boat hook here on the flybridge, so I can reach it pretty fast. Sorry guys, it's too much wind noise here, so let's play a song in the background when you watch us save the day.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Let's see if Andreas can do this without get the line in the water. That is okay. Good job, Andreas.
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding. when you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. It goes like I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain.
We are located here in this bay at Lökaö, and we're going down and emptying the toilet here where we passed. Then we're going up here and down again to get to Ostholmen, which is located here. And don't forget to fill the hose with water when you are finished. Here I'm telling Linda that she should always have the line around the clutch, because she's stronger that way. And I actually have some good example of that. We have an upcoming episode when we are at another filling station and it's really hard wind, and not even I can hold the boat against the wind.
Hold me
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
First I accelerate up to the right RPM I want to be at. Then I adjust my trim tabs, and you can see the wave getting smaller behind the boat. The bigger wave you have, the more fuel you consume. And the rest we will show you in the next episode, so make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, that's always nice. Bye bye.